Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Dirty screen effect appears as uneven patches when viewing uniform colors. This issue is not always dead pixels or image retention problems. Start by turning the screen off and inspecting for pressure marks or dirt. Spend about 30 minutes checking bezel tension and cable seating while the panel is cool. Gently press the bezel areas to feel for loose clips or screws. Note any changes in the pattern when you slightly flex the display assembly. Power down the monitor and unplug all cables before you begin any repairs. Use a clean microfiber cloth and press gently on the affected patch for 5 minutes. If that does not help, remove the bezel carefully by loosening 5 screws or unclipping edges. After bezel removal, check the display cable and reseat it firmly into its connector. Use 70% isopropyl on a cloth to clean the glass and foam contact points without soaking them. Reassemble and test with a solid gray image. After reassembly, run a uniform gray screen test for 10 minutes to evaluate improvement. Keep your viewing distance at least 3.5 inches when inspecting details for consistency. Avoid applying excessive pressure to the panel during normal use or cleaning routines. If the problem persists, document the issue with photos and timestamps for warranty claims. Contact the manufacturer with those images and your repair steps if you need professional service.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.